Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your FundedNext Futures account to Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on fundednext.com. Afterwards, you need to simply log in into your account. Now over here, when you are inside, simply click on the option of the futures section. And here, basically, you are going to see the plan that you currently have with the FundedNext Futures. So you just have to simply click on the active account that you have. So you are going to see it something like this. Simply click on it or click on the option of dashboard. Now when you are inside the dashboard, in the platform section here on the top, you will find Tradovate. So when you click on the Tradovate option, you will get the Tradovate login credentials. So you need to simply get the username and your password from this particular section. Afterwards, you need to come here on Tradovate. Then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now among the given types of accounts, you just have to simply select the option of simulation account, then simply provide the login ID and the password that you have basically requested, and then you just have to basically log in into your account. So when you log in into your account, you will find your FundedNext Futures account information here on the top. So this way you will be able to do it. If this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.